In this video, I'm excited to announce the launch of a new web page with step-by-step protocols and example data and scripts to help you get useful data out of those beautiful drone images. The name of the website is plantsciencedronemethods.github.io. And if you search Plant Science Drone Methods in Google, you'll probably pull it right up. If we go to the web page, we'll see that there's a series of links with each step covered in detail for the whole drone data analysis pipeline, starting with an introduction on how we use drones in agriculture and plant sciences, going through how to get certified so that you can do the flights. This is focused on the Part 107 knowledge test in the United States, but many countries have really similar certification programs. Then it goes through mission planning, photogrammetry, and Pix4D, and then there's a series of protocols on how we can use QGIS, which is open source software, to get that data out of those again, beautiful drone images and outputs from photogrammetry. If we click on any of these, we'll see, again, these step-by-step protocols. And one of the big advantages of having this in this kind of format is that it's easier to keep updated as there's new versions of QGIS, for example. It's easy to make sure that this is staying up to date. And you'll also see at the top of the page that there's an option for downloading example data as well as scripts. And so you can see here there's a list of some things that you can download, including a Python automation script, as well as a series of different files, inputs for photogrammetry, for example, a series of like an RGB data set there, and some different outputs that can be used for automating your drone data extraction and whatnot. And things like georeferencing in a practice. If we go to GitHub here, we can also just see them all laid out here. So we could just, for example, click on here and download this script. We also have a new drone methods preprint out, which I'm very excited about. And it's all about these kinds of methods and the educational resources related to them. And I just wanted to really say, like, if these methods are useful, please consider giving us a cite. All of our projects are really dependent on them being useful for people. And the best way that you can show their value is by giving us any kind of little mention of, like, methods were partly, modified from this kind of thing. So, in a way, I'm sort of like begging. Like, I'm an early career guy. It's so helpful, and I really appreciate that kind of support. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that these methods are useful for you. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of thing. I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.